Okay, we evaluate reciprocal trig ratios exactly the same way as we evaluate primary trig ratios. So what you want to do is draw a diagram to locate the angle, find the related angle, and then use your special triangles to find the value. So for example, 225 would be in quadrant 3. So to find the related angle, we're going to do 225 minus 180. So the related angle is 45. Then I'm going to use my special triangles to find the exact values. So 45 is 1 root 2. So this would be 1 root 2. And then in quadrant 3, the x value is negative, and so is the y. So we just have to find cosecant. Well, cosecant is a reciprocal of sine. So if sine is opposite over hypotenuse, then cosecant is the reciprocal of this, which is hypotenuse over opposite. So we do it exactly the same way, we're just looking at a different ratio. So cosecant would be the hypotenuse over the opposite. So the hypotenuse is root 2, and the opposite is negative 1. And we're going to square that. And then cosine 120, so 120 would be in quadrant 2. Connect to the x-axis to find the related angle. The related angle will be 60. 180 minus 120 is 60. If I look at my special triangles for 60, the sides are 1 root 3, 2. So this side is 1, this side is root 3, this side is 2, and in quadrant 2, the x value is negative. So I want cosine. So cosine is the adjacent, negative 1, over the hypotenuse 2, and that is squared. And then we just evaluate from there. So root 2 squared is 2, negative 1 squared is positive 1. Negative 1/2 squared would be positive 1/4, and then we would just add those two together. So we need a common denominator of 4. So 8 plus 1 is 9 over 4. Okay, so we do those ratios exactly the same way as primary. The secondary are exactly the same, it's just a different ratio. So instead of sine opposite over hypotenuse, we're doing cosecant, which is the reciprocal, which is hypotenuse over the opposite. The second question you asked about is if sine x, if cos x is 1/2 and is in quadrant 4. So I'm going to draw an angle in quadrant 4. We've got cosine x is 1/2. Well, cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So we've got this side and we've got this side. So we're going to compare that to a special triangle to find the related angle. So I'm looking for the triangle that has the hypotenuse of 2, so it would be the 30/60. I know it's not 45 because that has hypotenuse of root 2, so it's got to be the 30/60 triangle. The adjacent side is 60 because it's next to the 1, which makes this root 3, and this is negative. So once I have that diagram, it asks me to find sine of the same angle. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and that's my final answer.